Hi everyone, I'm Yashwanth, student of SVCA Bangalore, branch is CSA, and my subject is mathematics. Introduction to probability. Definition of probability. Probability is a branch of mathematics that deals with the likelihood or chance of events occurring. It is a measure that quantities the uncertainty associated with different outcomes. Probability is expressed as a number between 0 and 1, where 0 means the event is impossible and 1 means the event is certain. Importance of probability. Probability plays a crucial role in decision making, risk analysis, and predicting outcomes in various fields. In science, it helps model uncertain events and make predictions. In finance, it is used for risk management and investment strategies. In gaming and gambling, probability guides odds and strategies. Basic concepts. Sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. Event. A subset of the sample space. Outcome. A particular result from the same space. Types of probability. Classical probability, based on equally likely outcomes. Empirical probability, based on observed frequencies in experiments or real-world data. Subjective probability, based on personal judgment or beliefs. Classical probability formula, a number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Example, tossing a fair coin where the probability of getting head is 1 and getting tail is 0. Empirical probability formula, P of E equals number of times an event occurs by total number of trials. Example, rolling a six-sided die and calculating the probability of rolling a 4 based on observed data. Subjective probability definition, based on personal judgment, experience, or intuition. Example, assessing the probability of a rain tomorrow based on personal observation and feelings. Laws of probability. Addition rule. P of A or B equals P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. Second one, multiplication rule. P of A intersection B equals P of B into P of A divided by B. Dependent events. P of A intersection B equals P of A into P of B. Independent equal events. And complement rule of probability. P of not A equals 1 minus P of A. Total probability rule. The sum of probabilities of all possible outcomes is 1. Conditional probability definition. Probability of an event occurring given that another event has already occurred. Formula. P equals P of A by B. Example, probability of drawing an ace given that a card is red. Probability distributions. Definition. Describes the likelihood of different outcomes in a sample space. Discrete distribution. Finite number of distinct outcomes. Continuous distribution. Infinite number of possible outcomes within a range. Normal distribution. Visual representation of a bell-shaped curve. Characteristics: mean, standard deviation and symmetry. Z-scores, measure of how many standard deviations a data point is from the mean. Applications of probability. Risk assessment, estimating the likelihood of negative events. Second one, finance and investments. Portfolio management and risk analysis. medical research, clinical trials and disease probability, and game of chance, understanding odds in casinos and lotteries. Challenges and criticism. Subjectivity. Subjective nature in assigning probabilities. Assumptions. Models are based on certain assumptions that may not always hold. Conclusion. In short, probability is the study of uncertainty. It can be defined as branch of mathematics dealing with randomness and uncertainty in concrete situations. Probability can be considered as a numerical measure of the likelihood that an event occurs relative to a set of alternative events that do not occur. Thank you.